This is the Pythagorean formula, and in this video, I'm going to show you the visual derivation of this formula. Let's start with this right triangle with sides A, B, and C. Let's square side A to have A squared, then let's square side B to get B squared, and let's square side C to get C squared. The Pythagorean formula says that the sum of A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Visually, it looks like this. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Our goal is to show that the combined areas at the left, that is A squared plus B squared, is equal to the area at the right side. And here's the trick. Let's start by making copies of the original blue right triangle, 4 of them. Then let's rearrange these 4 right triangles in order to form this shape. We form here a square with a hole inside, and the shape of the hole is another square. The idea behind this visual derivation is we are going to fit this C squared in this hole, and we are going to challenge ourselves to fit also the combined areas of A squared and B squared into the same hole. Let's do that. So let's fit in now C squared this way. Obviously, C squared fits perfectly inside the hole because we know that the length of the side here is C. It's also C here, and our square is of area C squared. It's a perfect fit. So the challenge now is how can we fit in these 2 squares inside this hollow space? Let's trace the perimeter so that we can know the original shape and size of the square. Then let's rearrange the blue right triangles this way, and let's fit in now B squared into this space and A squared into that space. Just like that, we now have shown that the area C squared and the combined areas of A squared and B squared are the same because both of them occupy the same space in this bigger square. Algebraically, it looks like this. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And so when you have a right triangle, the sum of the squares A squared and B squared is equal to the square of the longest side, which is our hypotenuse, C squared. And that is now the visual derivation why A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So next time you have this right triangle, we know that this A squared plus this B squared is equal to C squared. And if you find this video worthwhile, please share this video with your friends, with your families, with your students, and encourage them to like and subscribe to our channel as well.